Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Google Maps or Google Business Profile and signing in with the Google account tied to your shop. Enter the exact street address and pick the right category so Google understands your business intent. Add a clear phone number, website, and business hours. These determine visibility and user trust. Once done, upload 3-5 high-quality photos and a brief description. Make sure your phone verification option is enabled so you can claim the listing immediately and proceed to verification. You now verify ownership using the fastest available method, phone or instant verification if eligible. Otherwise, request the postcard and continue optimizing. Fill every profile field: services, product SKUs or menus, business attributes like wheelchair access, and a short FAQ to answer common customer questions. Use precise categories and add keywords naturally in the description so Google can match queries. Once verification is started, monitor the verification code and keep editing. Changes usually appear within days after successful verification. Finish by reviewing how your shop appears on Maps and Search. Use insights to track searches, calls, and directions. You should respond to customer reviews and update hours, photos, and offers regularly to boost engagement. If your listing doesn't appear or is suspended, check for policy violations, mismatched addresses, or multiple duplicate listings. Remove duplicates and submit an appeal with clear documentation. If postcard never arrives, request a new one and confirm the postal address format matches official records before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.